So.
Do you know what 2 teams you're looking for the 2 buyers?
Mm-hmm. They can hear you just in.
I don't know, I'm just saying.
That fooled you. Questions, I don't know what teams I'm looking for.
Well, I don't, so I was just wondering.
You shining that on these cards?
I can't really see them that well.
Got a Chris Johnson for the Titans. Nobody got Tennessee, so sweet. 75 out of 100. Got a rookie card for the Rams. Michael Umanawa. I don't know how that's how you say his name. Watch for that battery to die on them. We got a Matt Stafford for the Lions. No big deal.
Should I stand above you more to see the cards? Or no?
Yeah, if you can't see them. Garrett Graham for the Texans. Nobody got that.
There you go.
Jacksonville, nobody got that. For the Bears, we got Jay Cutler. We got a rookie for the Dolphins, but nobody got them.
Nice.
Happy about that one, Justin? Okay, we got a rookie for the Eagles, nobody cares. Cardinals, nobody cares. And Raiders, of course I care. Bad and sweet. Cowboys, nothing. Still get it anyway. Dolphins, Columbus High. Rookie for the Jets, nobody cares. If you're an LT, babe. Cribs, Matt Marion, Packers, and my family. something here. Cleveland Browns.
Awesome.
That's a sweet one. Gridiron signatures, Jim Brown. Too bad nobody bid on that one. Looks like I get to keep it. Sweet. Probably be on eBay. Rookie card for the Rams. The Jets and Eagles, nothing.
Does the Rams one go with this Rams one or no?
I'll put them all together at the end and show them, do a recap.
Okay.
You got your Brett Favre, Justine. Nobody got Minnesota, so you're lucky.
I know, I would have been.
You got your crash course car for Baltimore, but nobody got that. So Ray Lewis and Dustin Keller. Kyle Williams rookie. And Zach Miller open, sweet. Always like his cards, he's an Arizona boy. Yeah. Keep an eye on that battery. I don't know if it's gonna make it this whole way.
Will it flash if it's going out?
It'll be flashing red right here.
Oh, okay.
Or orange or something. Okay, Saints. Cowboys, Tony Romo.
Tony Romo.
Tony Romo.
I have a thing for quarterbacks, have you noticed? I'm gonna splash it now.
Steven Jackson.
Babe, it's
St. Louis
splashing.
Rams. Okay, we're gonna pause it after this pack. Rams, good job. Steven Jackson. Rookie Chris Ivory. Mike Vick. And Rams, you got Steven Jackson. Nothing special about that one. Okay, go ahead and stop it. I'll pick it back up after this. I gotta change the battery.